Debunk.
Hello and a warm welcome to the Debunk Show. My name is Edgar Matthew Karuhanga. In this show, we bring you the truth from the lies and the lies from the rumors. We bring you the information that you need to stay safe. Now today, we fact check a group of hackers, the Anonymous. The Anonymous is a group of hackers who claim to have broke into Uganda's internet gateways and restored Uganda's internet. Did they actually restore Uganda's internet? Is it possible to hack into Uganda's system? Here are the facts.
Internet shutdown has become a very common trend in many African governments. Aside from Uganda doing this during the 2021 general elections, many countries like Tanzania, Togo, Burundi, Guinea-Bissau, Ethiopia, and many more have done this, especially during elections. And governments have actually come out saying that the risk of fake news online is the reason for this restriction. Merriam-Webster Dictionary defines anonymous as something or someone not named or identified. But is it true that Anonymous, the hacktivists, restored Uganda's internet after the 2021 polls? My name is Marina Pio, your fact checker. After Uganda Communications Commission blocking the internet on 13th January 2021, the internet was partially switched back on 5 days later. Anonymous claims to have been responsible for the restoration, and we checked this very account with this claim to find out if this is true. First, there are many pages, people, and groups claiming to be anonymous. Take note, Anonymous has a verified Facebook account, but the claim does not appear on this page. In fact, between December 13th to February 7th, there were no posts on this verified page, and no information whatsoever about Uganda's internet restoration appears on this page. On the official site and Wikipedia feed about Anonymous, they brag about all the hacks they have done before, and being a group of hacktivists, they are known for various attacks against governments and corporations. Just like an artist, they always leave their initials and mark behind. The fake account, on the other hand, does not have a particular description of who they are and what they do. The fake account raises questions, with their post asking people for their phone numbers in promise of giving them free airtime, which could be a means of getting people's personal information or data and using it for their own gain. The fake account has no approved affirmations of hacks they have done, just mere threats to governments, including Uganda's.
Thank you so much, Marion. Quite an interesting elaboration right there. The Anonymous had nothing to do with the internet restoration on the 18th of January 2021. Please feel free to follow us on our social media platforms at The Media Challenge on Facebook and on Twitter. Just drop any story, any myth that you want us to fact check and bring you the truth, and we'll surely do that for you. From the entire Debunk Show team, my name is Edgar Matthew Karuhanga. Enjoy your day.